Welcome to today's tutorial on the best way to analyze and set a trade. Remember the first time we talked about choosing the big red candlesticks. I'm going to be adding one or two more indicators for you to be able to know and how to set a trade. So first of all, you come to your trading view. Remember, you first of all have to put your trading view in place like this. And remember to always click on this dot up, this three dot by your left. Look at it here, this three dot up. So when you click on it, click sort by. See where I'm touching? Click that sort by to take you to this place. You know, sort by change in percentage. That's here, and you click on it. Now it will take the ones that have done the highest plus. That's the one that have made sales up, and then it will take the ones that has gone down in price down. So we are going to do it 2 times, so that will take the highest minus. From there you choose the trades to enter. So you don't just go to the one that have this green. Always take the one that has the highest minus. Okay, so we do it again. Sort by change. Now we have 2 coin here, which is PH and Troy has done the highest minus. So we're going to be picking from these 2 coin. We're going to be picking either PHA USDT or Troy USDT. So let's start from PHA, which has done the highest minus. Remember, first of all, we check. I click on it, and here we go. Click this. So we're here. Now, if you look at this coin, we are going to take it to, remember, down here to a day time frame. That's a day time frame. Okay, this is a perfect one. Okay, this has come down. You have the big candlestick. We even have 2 here, 2 big candlestick. But we can't just determine by only the candlestick. We're going to be, determining this trade in 2 or 3 ways. Okay, so now, first of all, I said when you have this big candlesticks here, expand it very well, and then you take your horizontal line from this place. You come to this thing that look like a biro sign here. Take your horizontal line from here. That's the horizontal. Make sure you add this to your favorite already. Take your horizontal line. You come to this downside, the last place that it has done. You can see where I'm placing it here. You place your horizontal line here. Okay, and then you take another one. Make sure you expand it so you can see the wick. That is this small thing that looks like a tail here. You place it on the last one here. Okay, am I correct? Yeah. All right, and then you take the last horizontal line, and then you place it. You just determine the middle of these big red candlesticks. Just somewhere here is exactly the middle, something like this. Or maybe at the end of this week, you can just take, and then you place it here. So now look at this very well. In this trade, we can see that this trade can give us, we go to our price range, this one, and determine how much this trade can give us, first of all, before we can check other indicators. Now, we'll take it from the middle of this second and the last, from here to somewhere to that end. You see, this trade can give us 3%. Are you seeing it? Even above, because we are just supposed to take it to this place. But to be on the safe side, it can give us 3% or it can give us 4%. Now, for you to determine and to know if actually if you enter this trade, it will go up. It will go up to sell. Now, we're going to check the next indicator. Come to this place here, right here. You're seeing my cursor, where you have these 2 arrows that are intersecting. Click on it, and then we're going to choose this indicator called stochastic RSI. See here where you have indicator, you click on it. Now already I have put my stochastic RSI on. That's the last one you're seeing here. I've already put it on, favorite. So but you that have not added it, you can come to this search button here. see the start button, and you look for ST. All right, it's already out. That's it here. So the moment you click on it, it's going to show you. You can add it, click and hold, and press that star. You can add to your favorite. Okay, this is the stochastic RSI. It's telling me that this trade is definitely about to sell. But first of all, we want to set our stochastic RSI. If you haven't set yours, look at this place here. Are you seeing here? This is where the stochastic RSI interface is. So you can click on it in order for you to choose setting. Maybe you didn't have setting on your trading view, so you can do that here. So you click on this here, right here. That's the setting. Now we want to do the input. This is the input here. Click on the input. You have the K and the D and the RSI length. Now the K, make it 3. I've already done mine here. The D, make it 3. I've done mine here. Then you understand the RSI length, make it 14. The stochastic length, make it 14. The RSI close, okay, just the way it is. And when you are done with that, you come down to this place and you say okay, that is save. All right, then we'll go to the next one you call style. Now you see the K here, you make it blue. The K here, you make it blue. If your own is not in blue, you just go, you click on this to come out, and then you choose the blue. Okay, and then the D, you make it orange. You can decide to change your color anyway, but we're always looking at the K. All right, and then the upper band, you just leave it. You don't take anything there, you just leave it. And then the upper band, you look down here. Under the upper band, you write 80. The middle band, you look down, you write what? 50. The lower band, you look down, you write 20. Please take note of all this and then do accordingly. And then when you're done, you click OK. All right. And then we go back to this visibility. Okay. Now this visibility is this format. This is a default format. So you can just leave them the way it is. All right. And say OK. And you are done with setting of your stochastic RSI. So it can give you whatever you want. Okay. Tap on the screen and it goes off. So the RSI now on a day time frame is telling me that this market is very good. Now, anything above at this line, you don't buy. Anything at this line, that's why I said you must have a big red candlestick. Anything at this line, you don't sell. You don't buy, sorry. Now, you always buy when it is towards this place, this stored line here, or below. So you can look at this stochastic RSI. Now, it's telling me if I open it more, you see the blue line, the whole angle now is going up. It's telling me that this coin definitely is going up and it's going to sell. So I won't like feel anyhow to enter this market. I will enter this market with all boldness. That's why when I talk about the red candlestick, I meant it. So I had to bring up these indicators for you to know that using the red candlestick is a perfect one. But you still have these indicators to check also, so that you won't say you're making a mistake. So we're going to be checking, after this, we're also going to be checking a meter in the RealQ app to know whether we can really buy this coin or not. All right, so I'll go to my RealQ. Now this is my RealQ. Now let's go look for this PH. That's it here. Let's look for it. All right, be here. Okay, that's it. Now we're going to be looking at this other indicator here called the technical indicator. Right, this is it. Now after this indicator, now we look at in the day time frame. I hope you're seeing me here. Day time frame. We'll go down. You check this place where you have 15 here. You also change it to day. Okay. Now, this is telling me that it is neutral. Okay. Neutral is either going to go this way or this way. All right. And then we're going to check it on 4 hours time frame. All right, come this place. Come down here again, change it to 4 hours. Right now, are you seeing this? It's telling me it's telling me sell, in between sell and strong sell. That is to say, this coin is about going up. If it were in this buy here, I will not buy. Now, this meter tells you, this technical meter tells you, whenever it says buy, don't buy. It tells you to do the opposites. Whenever it says strong buy, don't. Now, strong buy or buy means people have bought so much, and if you go to buy, they will start dumping on you. So whenever it's telling you strong buy, please don't buy. It tells you buy, don't buy. Okay? Neutral means it's either going to buy or it's going to sell. But if it is within sell and strong sell, now it's in between. It's, in fact, it's just going down to sell. I mean strong sell, meaning it is time for you to buy, because at this coin has gone down. A lot of people has, removed their money. They have sold, oversold and all that. And now some people are about to re-enter the market. So it's time for you to enter and make your profit and also get out of the market. Okay, so these indicators are also telling us that fine, we can get into it. Now looking down here to 1 hour time frame, let's go down again and check this to 1 hour time frame. It's even telling us strong sell. So to tell you that it's time for you to buy. Anything within strong sell and sell, you can buy. But anything within buy and strong buy, please don't buy. You hold on. The market is not good for you to enter. So this is another indicator. So we have two indicators now, which is the stochastic RSI and this technical meter. All right. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, change here to 15 too. Hope you're seeing me. Now it's still telling you the same strong sell. So now these three indicators now has told you that this coin is good for you to enter. Let's go back to our trading view. I'm going to be changing this to 4 hour time frame and see whether this stochastic RSI is still going to be down or is going to be up. Okay, this is 4 hour. Now are you seeing? We are on course with this trade. So this trade is good for you to enter very well, because it has gone down from this first line, second line, third line, even below. So meaning this trade is very good to enter. Are you seeing it? Let's look at 1 hour time frame. Are you seeing? It's even going down more. So to tell you, between 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, this trade is good. So now we'll go back to our trade and determine how to take the profit. Remember, I said we are going to be taking 3 to 4 profit, right? We are going to be taking from this trade. So let's change this to back to 15 minutes. See, the 15 minutes even telling you that it has gone down, about to go up. Okay, so right, so we're on course. So if we go back to our price range, you can take now we said from this middle, right, all the way up to this place. Are you seeing it? Even if it's all the way down here, all the way down to here. So we still have, you can take 3.5% here. You can even take 4%, because definitely this market is going to be landing here. It's going to be landing here. Let me get it well. Now this is where I have my cursor. You see that line that is there? Let me move it again. You see this line? This is where the line is landing. So this is this particular line here. So it's telling me this market can actually get down to this place, which is about 4%. So I'm only saying to be, for those that are in doubt, you can take 3.5%, you can take 4% from this market, which is very perfect, which is very okay. At least before you take this line from this stochastic SR must have gone to this middle. And then another one again, another good candlestick indicator. Whenever you see this wick is full and it goes down this way, facing the wick leg is facing down long, meaning it's a strong buy for you. It is good for you to enter the market. The market is about to go up. Let me see, go back to 4 hours time frame. Are you seeing it? Whenever you see a wick long like this, it's always indicating that this market will go up. This is a yes market for you to enter. So this is a very big way for you to set the trade. So let's go to AreaQ and set our trade. It's very simple. So you come here, you click create, click your bot. Don't forget all the settings. You can as well, okay, let me do this so that some of us don't know this. Come to click on this mine here, and then go down, click on my strategy setting here. My strategy setting. You click on it. Now there's no setting in this particular account. Okay, you have not added any settings. So we'll come here to say add. Okay, now this is it. So you can add the setting and you use it, often. You can be changing some certain things. You just click on it and it will fall down in your setting, place, and then you continue using it, or you want to make some changes. So let's assume you have let's say $100 or $200. Okay, so you can say, okay, $100. This market will have to take 3.5%, right? And then what if the market go a little bit down from here to this place? So let's go and determine how much, in case the market go. You now take your price range. Hope you're following. Take your price range from where the market is. This is where the market is right now. So in case we are to take 3%, and then what if it goes down to this last week here? How many percent is here? This is 1. So you just have 1%. Okay, you have 1%. So we just go down there and said what we have is 1. And then let's get to our calculator. All right, the calculator here, we have 100, right? Okay, so in this 100 we can determine our first buy, because we are very certain of this market. Because before you enter a market, you have to be very certain. So we're taking let's say our first buy can be 30. So we say minus 30, so you have 70. So you can do 1 and 2 just as the 2 margin calls. So you can say 30, then the remaining 30 is going to be 70 will remain, right? Your first buy is 30, so left is 70, right? Okay, so 70 divided by 2 is going to be giving us 35, right? So let's first of all go and put the first buy here. We'll come here, we put the first buy here. Look at this place. Put the first buy. We say 30. Open position, you leave it the way you are. AI, you can remove it, all right? We'll come here, we'll say 2 margin calls. We don't calculate the first buy, we calculate the remaining margin calls we are going to be buying. That's from the 70, we are dividing into 2. That's 35, that's 2 margin calls. So we say 2. And then we'll say our take profit here is what? Remember, we said 3.5, okay? We can say 4, depending on you or your grid. Then here we say 0, 0, 0.0. And then down here, you can say -2 or -3, depending, 0.3, okay? So we'll come to the margin calls here. Now, before we are putting the margin call, remember, 70 is left. So how do we determine this 70? Divided by 2, we have divided by 2 So we have 35, 35. So what's going to times 35 to, what's going to times that 30, which is the first buy we have there? Because anything we put there will times by the 30 to give us 35. I hope you understand that. Okay, so we say 30 times 1 is going to give us 30. It's not up to 35. So 1.5, no. 1.2, okay, 1.1, 1.5. Okay, let's say 1.6, 1.7. Okay, so let's take 1.6. So 1.16 now it's going to give us 34.8. So it's very close to 35. So we're going to be doing 1.16. Now this is where we're going to be placing it. Remember, our margin call drop was what? 1%. That is minus 1. So in case this market, we're going to divide that 1% into 2. So we're going to be saying if this market goes down by 0.5, this bot should buy, and this multiple buy-in ratio should buy 1.16. That is 34.8. Now we'll go down here again. Say if this market goes down by 0.5, making it 1 full percent, okay, it should buy the same thing. 1.16, right? Perfect. So when you're done with this, you click sure. Come down here, you click sure. Okay, so you're set. So you can just go to your bot here. You're picking the pH, right? Hit create. Now we want to set it with what we have just done. That's it. You come to this place here, trade setting, you click on it. Now you come say choose. Are you seeing it? Choose a strategy. Are you seeing it? You click on it. That thing you have set will now come out. Are you seeing the way it is here? You click on it. So it has fallen down here. You don't need to go setting back all over again. Everything is here. 32%. 2 margin calls, 3.5. Everything you did is here. If you click this margin call, you can see everything you did here. So it's good. You can do that and save in your bot, and then whenever you want to use it, you can always change this first buy. You can as well change this margin call limit. You can do 3 margin calls depending on your analysis. All right, so whenever you are done, you click save. Are you seeing it is saved now? So you can activate if you have the money in your system to buy. So that is it. So please make sure you share this video and make sure you watch it and follow exactly. God bless you. Love you all there.